And welcome into today's Ask the Attorney. I am joined by Pond Lehocky, Mr. Alwyn Horn, to talk to us about job-related injuries. And sir, this is a big topic. What type of job-related injuries does your firm handle?
Well, let me start out by saying this. First of all, we want to look at or evaluate any type of job-related injury. We handle cases involving truck drivers, textile mills, industrial accidents, contracting claims, things, all types of claims, and it really doesn't matter where or what type of injury it is or accident it is, as long as it happened in the line of scope and course of the employment.
Okay, and then how are cases evaluated, and really what is the basis for calculating what needs to be calculated?
Well, something to say here in terms of handling all types of claims is that you have a basis for on-the-job accidents that result in just a workers' compensation claim. And the way you calculate those damages is very significant, specified in the Alabama Workers' Compensation Act. But we want to maximize recoveries. A lot of time people may not just be limited to accidents that occurred on the job, but also may be related to accidents or injuries that were caused by third parties. Not necessarily, at the fault of no one, but it's the fault of a third party that caused the accident. Think of somebody driving down the road and is hit by somebody else in a truck. Or you think of somebody that might have removed a guard and a safety device, something of that nature. And the significance of this, when you talk about how do you calculate these damages, is, the Workers' Compensation Act does have a little bit of let's put it this way, that the damages or the compensation isn't the best. Alabama's not the best state. So what we want to do is find the biggest pocket of recovery for a person injured. And if you have a third party at fault, oftentimes that leads into third party insurance companies or other sources of compensation in order to make you whole. So we're looking at any claims.